Happy National Doctor's Day. An interesting fact about Doctor's Day is that it is celebrated on different dates in different countries. In India, we celebrate it on the 1st of July every year. The US celebrates it on the 30th of March, Brazil on 18th of October, Canada on May 1st, in Cuba this day is a holiday observed on the 3rd of December and in Nepal on 4th of March, among other countries. On this amazing occasion of Indian Doctor's Day, let's take a look at things you might not know about why we celebrate it in the country. Importance of Doctor's Day in India. In India, it marks the birth and death anniversary of the legendary physician and second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. It was his belief that only a healthy person who is strong in mind and body can ever dream of achieving India's freedom, that is Swaraj. His contribution to the welfare of women is also beyond great. Dr. Roy encouraged women of all classes and communities to come forward and avail medical treatment in the Seva Sadan started by him and his team. His training center helped women learn about nursing and social work, and in turn, spread the knowledge forward. After his death, the house he lived in was turned into a nursing home as per his wish. It was named after his mother, Aghor Kamini Devi. We celebrate Doctor's Day not only to honor Dr. Roy but each and every person related to the field of medicine for their tireless efforts and dedication towards the patients. How to celebrate Doctor's Day. Red carnations. The red carnation flower is a symbol for the Doctor's Day. You can present them to your favorite doctor on this day. A bouquet of carnations will bring life to the dull feel of a doctor's office. If red carnations are not available, you can replace them with any red flowers of your choice. Greeting cards. Nowadays, greeting cards are slightly out of fashion. However, this does not take away the happy feeling a card can give. You can write personalized messages on a card and pass them to the doctor. Thank you notes with a summary of the incident that changed your life can also be mentioned. Treats. If you are not into flowers and cards, you can opt for a box of chocolates or treats for the doctor. A customized cake, cookies, sweets, etc. wrapped in a nice paper can also serve the purpose. Personalized video message. Thanks to the internet and various video calling applications, you can get in touch with your favorite doctor from anywhere around the world. Either record a video or get in touch with the doctor via video calling to say thank you and show gratitude for everything that a doctor has done to help you improve your health and lead a better life. Health insurance. Setting your finances in place is as important as availing treatment from a good doctor. This can be achieved with the help of a comprehensive health insurance policy. Let's read 10 facts about doctors. 1. In the United States alone there are nearly 700,000 physicians. In appreciation of doctors and physicians, National Doctor's Day is celebrated on March 30th every year. 2. Doctors are just as likely to abuse alcohol and illegal drugs as the average citizen, but are much more likely to abuse prescription drugs due to close proximity and easier procurement. They are also more likely to have a relapse later for the same reasons. 3. Despite popular belief, doctors are not usually paid to promote a certain drug or device to the patient they are treating. Instead, many doctors may be paid by pharmaceutical companies and device makers to either give talks to groups of patients or doctors about a product, provide advice to companies on clinical trial designs or, less commonly, to conduct research trials at their practices. 4. About 64% of physicians report working overtime. Some physicians may work as many as 60 hours per week. 5. Doctors leave sponges and other medical devices inside of their patients about 6,000 times a year. 6. Although being a physician is one of the highest paid careers, many doctors seek additional part-time work to help pay off medical school debt. 7. Physicians and doctors are among one of the highest paid careers, and the job growth for the field is growing faster than average for all occupations. Growth is estimated to be at 18% between 2012 to 2020 and is attributed to continued expansion of healthcare-related industries, high demand in rural and low-income areas, and the increased demand in care for baby boomers. 8. The earliest written record that mentions the practice of medicine is Hammurabi's code from the 18th century BC in Mesopotamia. This extensive code of laws includes information for physicians about payments for successful treatments and punishments for medical failures. For example, payment was better for curing the wealthy, but failing to do so could result in the loss of a hand. 9. Researchers suspect that at about 4000 BC the ancient Greeks had the first designated housings for healing the sick. Instead of a formal hospital with physicians, however, they were most likely temples devoted to gods of healing such as Saturn and Asclepius that may or may not have had a separate room serving as a clinic. The sick were dropped off to pray and ask for healing from the gods. 10. In early Asian civilizations, the practice of medicine by physicians was particularly advanced for the time, with surgical techniques in India including the removal of tumors, bladder stones, and even cataracts. Chinese physicians even had knowledge of using many different herbal, mineral, and animal products for treatment of disease.